Okay guys, so we almost got the booth done. You can see the electricians put in the lighting on the sides and the work area lighting is done. So now all we need to do is put the roof panels on, which have been cut. I just need to get like 6 guys together so we can put these roof panels on, and then the electricians can come back and put another 4 floodlights in the booth. And then all we need to do is put the tarp on and like put little sides on, and we're going to be putting this yellow sheeting on the floor, and then it's going to be done. Oh, and this is the roof panels that we made, and they are going to do the best job for the booth. Really stoked, but check how big they are. That's why we need 6 people to freaking lift this thing. Isn't this going to be the coolest oven? I mean, it's a freaking elevator. It's like, dude, it's gonna be so cool. So obviously after we're done with the booth, then we're gonna be putting in an insulated floor, insulating the entire sides, and insulating the door on the inside. And then this is gonna be where we do our infusions and where we obviously bake and post-cure the carbon parts. So this is, I'm so happy about this. Like, it's gonna have so much character. We're gonna weld the stop on. We're gonna cut it just below there, and we're gonna take this guide off. For a little walk. Okay, so oven progress. We've cleaned the space out and we cut those guards off. And Bless has welded this bar here. He's bolted that section in so that this panel is nice and level. Now he's going to weld a steel bar across the front, which we then gonna screw our curtain into. And Joey's busy finishing off the fender pattern. He's busy radiusing this edge, and then he'll be putting the gel coat on and then backing it up with the polylight. guys, as you can see, we cut the floor a little bit smaller, so it has fitted now. Feels pretty strong. So floor for the oven is done. Now as soon as we get a gap, we're going to try and install the roof and the walls, and then we can get the lighting, the heaters and the vacuum pump in here. So our hoist has arrived, and we haven't finished the Subaru yet, and it has no front wheels on it. So we need to move it, so we are making a plan. I don't think it is. You're the last knock and the sign is up. Yeah, boys. Does that make you pumped, bro? Where's your jacked shirt? The merch, bro. Why aren't you wearing the merch?
Watch out! Gotta do that.